Have you ever wondered why your mom starts tearing up every time she cuts an onion? Or maybe you've been the one standing at the chopping board, wondering why your own eyes suddenly started watering. It happens in kitchens all around the world. But have you ever stopped to ask, why does an onion make us cry? Is it something inside the onion? Or is our body reacting to something we can't even see? What you're about to see isn't magic or coincidence. It's chemistry. The instant your knife cuts through an onion, a hidden chemical reaction begins. And within seconds your eyes feel the effects. Let's uncover the science behind one of the most common kitchen mysteries. At first glance, an onion looks completely harmless. It has no thorns. It can't run away. It doesn't sting like some plants. So how does it protect itself? The answer is hidden inside. Every onion is made up of millions of tiny cells. Inside those cells are different chemicals. Each chemical is stored separately, almost like ingredients kept in different containers. As long as the onion stays whole, these chemicals never meet. Nothing happens. But the moment you slice into it, everything changes. Your knife breaks open those tiny cells. The chemicals mix together. And that's when the real science begins. One of the chemicals released is an enzyme called alliinase. It quickly reacts with sulfur compounds that are naturally present inside the onion. This reaction creates a new chemical called syn-propanethyl oxide. The name sounds complicated, but don't worry about remembering it. The important part is this. It's a gas. Within seconds, that invisible gas spreads through the air. And eventually, it reaches your eyes. Your eyes are always covered with a thin layer of moisture. When the onion gas touches that moisture, it forms a mild irritant. Your eyes notice it immediately. They send a signal to your brain. Your brain reacts instantly. It tells your tear glands, wash it away. Within moments, your eyes begin producing extra tears. Those tears aren't a sign of sadness. They're your body's natural defense. Their job is to wash away the irritating chemical and protect your eyes. So every time you cry while cutting onions, your body is actually helping you. Have you ever noticed that some onions barely affect you, while others make you cry almost immediately? That's because not all onions are the same. Different varieties contain different amounts of sulfur compounds. The soil they grow in also makes a difference. Even how fresh the onion is can affect how much gas it releases. Generally, the more sulfur compounds an onion contains, the more tears it can cause. Sweet onions usually contain less sulfur. That's why they're often much easier on your eyes. Can you stop the tears? The good news is, yes. There are several simple tricks that actually work. First, place the onion in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before cutting it. The cold slows down the chemical reaction. That means less gas is released into the air. Second, use a very sharp knife. A sharp knife makes cleaner cuts. It damages fewer cells. And fewer damaged cells mean less tear-producing gas. Some people also cut onions near a fan. The moving air blows the gas away before it reaches your eyes. Professional chefs sometimes even wear protective goggles. It might look a little funny, but it works surprisingly well. So, the next time you're cutting an onion, and your eyes begin to water, you'll know exactly what's happening. You're not crying because the onion is making you emotional. You're witnessing an amazing chemical reaction. A few tiny cells break open. Hidden chemicals mix together. An invisible gas is released. Your eyes detect it. And your body responds by producing tears to protect itself. It's a perfect reminder that science isn't just found in laboratories. Sometimes, it's hiding right there on your kitchen counter. If you enjoyed learning the science behind this everyday mystery, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sapphire Sprout. And tell us in the comments, what everyday mystery should we explain next? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.